In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy-paste in Canva. By the end, you'll be comfortable moving individual elements and even entire pages between designs, which is a huge time saver and keeps your projects consistent. Start by opening your design in the Canva editor. To copy an element, click it once to make sure it's selected. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box around it. Now, use the keyboard shortcut that matches your device. On Windows, press Ctrl+C. On a Mac, press Command+C. That copies the element to your clipboard exactly as it is, including its colors, effects, and any animation you've applied. If the element is part of a group, the whole group will copy together, which is handy for keeping layouts intact. Next, move to where you want to paste it. That could be another page in the same design or a completely different design you already have open. Click into the target page so the editor knows where to put the content, then press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. The pasted element will appear on the canvas, ready to drag into place. You can resize it or adjust alignment just like any other object. If you don't see the paste appear, click the canvas once to ensure it's active and try pasting again. Keeping both designs open in the same browser session helps Canva carry the clipboard over reliably. When you want to move an entire page, switch to Grid View at the bottom of the editor. Grid View shows your page thumbnails, which makes it easier to manage full pages at a glance. Click the thumbnail of the page you want to copy so it's selected. Then use the same copy shortcut as before, Ctrl+C on Windows, Command+C on Mac. This captures the whole page, including all elements, text styles, and background settings. Open your other design and paste with Ctrl+V or Command+V. Canva will insert the entire page and keep the layout intact, so it looks exactly like the original. If you paste within the same design, Canva adds a duplicate page, which is perfect for creating variations without rebuilding from scratch. After pasting, you can make quick edits like swapping images or adjusting text while maintaining the overall structure. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.